Assalamu alaikum, dear students and friends. In this video, I am going to explain question R and what are the two important types of question. One is called start question and the other is called unstart questions. What is question hour? Question hour is the first hour of every sitting, either that is the sitting of upper chamber of the parliament or that is the sitting of the lower chamber of parliament. In case of Pakistan, the upper chamber is called Senate and the lower chamber is called National Assembly. So if there is a session of upper chamber or there is a session of lower chamber, the first hour of every sitting would be specified would be reserved for questions, and those questions would be asked by the private members. Private members means those members who are the part of the parliament but they are not the part of government. So the very first hour of every sitting is devoted to questions that members of the parliament raise about any aspect of administrative activity. It is the right of the parliamentarians, it is the right of the parliament members to ask anything about administrative activity from government ministers, and the concerned minister is bound, the concerned minister is obliged to answer to the parliament, either orally or in written. It depends on the type of question, that which type of question that particular parliament member is asking from that minister. As I told you earlier that there are two types of questions, so it would be dependent on the type of question, and according to that type of question, that particular minister is bound to answer either in either verbal or in verbal form or in writing. Why questions are important? Questions are one of the ways parliament can hold the executive accountable. So we can say that question answer method is one method of accountability. Accountability of whom? Accountability of government. It has a special significance in the proceedings of parliament. Asking of questions is an inherent and unfettered parliamentary right of members, and they cannot be deprived from this right. It is their right to know about the advancement, to know about the development, and to know about the different activities of government. It is during the question hour that the members can ask questions on every aspect of administration and governmental activity. Government policies in national as well as international affairs come into sharp focus as the members try to elicit pertinent information during the question hour. So that's why question hour is very important in the proceedings of any parliament of the world. Now let's proceed to two important types of questions. One is called start questions and the other is called unstart questions. A start question is one to which a member desires an oral answer from the minister in the house and is required to be distinguished by him or her with an asterisk. Answer to such a question may be followed by supplementary questions by members. जो स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन होगा उसका वर्बल आंसर दिया जाएगा, उसका ज़बानी आंसर दिया जाएगा, उसके लिए कोई रिटन आंसर रिक्वायर्ड नहीं होगा। और जो स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन है उसके साथ एक स्टार उसके साथ एक एस्ट्रिक लगाया जाएगा, जिसकी वजह से वो स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन कहलाया जाता है और उसकी पहचान होती है। और स्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस के आंसर्स के लिए समटाइम्स सप्लीमेंट्री क्वेश्चंस भी किए जाते हैं। जबकि एक जो अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चन है, दैट इज़ द क्वेश्चन टू विच ऑफन रिटन आंसर इज़ डिज़ायर्ड बाय द मेंबर। जो मेंबर क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है वो मेंबर उस क्वेश्चन का रिटन आंसर चाहता है, and it is deemed to be laid on the table of the house by minister after that question hour. Thus it is not called for oral answer in the house and no supplementary question can be asked thereon. जो अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस हैं, चूँकि उसके लिए रिटन रिप्लाई चाहिए, उसके लिए रिटन आंसर चाहिए जो कि क्वेश्चन आर के बाद टेबल पर मौजूद होना चाहिए, इसलिए अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चंस के लिए सप्लीमेंट्री क्वेश्चंस नहीं किए जा सकते हैं। तो क्वेश्चन आर क्या है? क्वेश्चन आर इज़ द वेरी फर्स्ट आर ऑफ एवरी सिटिंग ऑफ आइदर चैम्बर ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट। अपर चैम्बर हो या लोअर चैम्बर हो, उसकी सिटिंग का जो वेरी फर्स्ट आर है दैट वुड बी डिवोटेड टू क्वेश्चन आर। और क्वेश्चंस के ज़रिए से गवर्नमेंट की अकाउंटेबिलिटी होती है। और अकाउंटेबिलिटी कौन कर रहा है? जो प्राइवेट मेंबर्स हैं। प्राइवेट मेंबर्स कौन से हैं? जो कि गवर्नमेंट का पार्ट नहीं है बट दे आर द इलेक्टेड मेंबर्स ऑफ द पार्लियामेंट। अब जो क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है और जिस शख्स से क्वेश्चन किया जा रहा है वो उसका आंसर रिटन देगा या उसका ओरल आंसर देगा, इट डिपेंड्स ऑन द टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चन जो उससे पूछा जा रहा है। अगर वो स्टार्ट क्वेश्चन है तो उसका आंसर ओरल दिया जाएगा, और अगर वो अनस्टार्ट क्वेश्चन है तो उसका मतलब यह है कि उसका आंसर इन रिटन फॉर्म is required, is essential. That was all about the questionnaire and start question and unstart question. Please stay tuned and do comment in case of any query, in case of any confusion. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.